Hey guys, welcome back to my keys. We're going to be looking at 12 crypto firms that are in right now, January 2022 edition. So this is on the crypto job list, CoinmarketCap Alexandria. So guys, you want to stay tuned to our YouTube channel. We drop updates on crypto news, job listing offers, airdrops, most especially on other money making tools, as well as other tech related updates. So you want to subscribe, click on the red subscribe button in description of this below, beneath this video. And also, you want to turn on notifications so you get notified whenever we drop a beneficial update. And also, you can also leave us a comment or your feedback. I'll try as much as possible to interact with you. So, back to the news. It said, we hope that you had a great holiday and a recharge for the new year. With the holidays now behind us, companies are back to work full swing. We had an amazing 2021 for both adoption and development in crypto. It was undoubtedly the year of NFTs, DAOs, and DeFi. So let's continue building the in 2022. Your senior Solidity engineer at Silo Finance Remote. You have the senior Solidity engineer vacancy. 2021 was the year of growth for a lot of DeFi protocols. Silo is a decentralized non-custodial protocol where users can borrow cryptocurrencies with other cryptocurrencies as collateral. It has a unique Silo structure which separates each asset, does not share the risk. So you want to check that update out. You also have senior Unreal Engine developer at Netvic. The Netvic is a social virtual platform that also combines crypto. It says with crypto being the pioneer of the metaverse, Unreal Engine developers are going to be in great demand. Unreal Engine is used to develop games, which is also going to be used for creating metaverse platforms. Netvic is doing just that. So Netvic is looking to hire a senior Unreal Engine developer with a passion for game development, take care of the game and specific backend features, data engineering, architectural, infrastructural work. The real ideal candidate must have at least 5 years experience in game development. The other jobs at Netvic we have a senior React Web3 front-end engineer, blockchain Solidity developer. We also have the product manager vacancy. So product manager, product owner at DQuest. So DQuest is another upcoming crypto metaverse project that also incorporates a play to earn model. Players will get paid in crypto for completing specific quests or bounties. DQuest is also looking to build an analytics platform with all this experience of onboarding new users and improving the process. So as a product manager, the ideal candidate will be owning the product roadmap, plan and coordinate its execution, identify and analyze improvement, and drive the development of the platform. Therefore, the quest is looking for someone with at least 2 years of experience, preferably in crypto company. So these are your basic steps as a product manager. Other jobs here we have marketing manager, lead and smart contract developer, game fee, and more. They also have a lead smart contract developer at Tranche Finance, is a remote job. So Tranche Finance is a decentralized risk management protocol for other DeFi protocols. So most DeFi protocols come with attractive interest rates. However, this interest is variable and sometimes very volatile. So Tranche reduces uh, this risk by creating two new assets. So the first comes with a fixed yield for low risk, and the second one is variable for high returns. So we still have other jobs at Web3, DeFi front-end engineer. Then we have blockchain developer, a remote job at Riley. So Royal Finance is a decentralized lending protocol with focus on gaming. They are working on an optimized decentralized liquidity network, pushes the limits of innovation and lowers the barriers of entry for iGaming industry. So Royal Finance is looking for a blockchain developer whose first assignment would be to get version 1.5 of the gamepad to the finish line. So we're also looking for marketing manager at Zombie Tech Limited Remote. The Zombie is an upcoming zombie action shooter game where players can use digital tokens to buy gear. The game is very ambitious in terms of its scale, and they are now looking for a marketing manager who directly responds to the CEO responsibilities include identify the target audience, developing a market and plans for specific objectives. We also have social media manager at Zombie blockchain developer. on Zone Fit 2. Next on the list, we have game designer at Regal Protocol. Says they're looking for seeing a trend here as more and more crypto companies are getting into GameFi and DeFi. So Regal Protocol is a blockchain protocol for a variety of DeFi applications, includes cross-chain operations, token swapping, yield farming, and more. So Regal Protocol is now looking for a gaming designer to come up with appealing game ideas and develop the ideal candidate would need to have a passion for NFTs and strong storytelling ability. Other jobs at Regal Protocol, okay, they have a blockchain research, software engineer, Token Metrics. Token Metrics is a popular cryptocurrency research and data company that serves as an analytics and platform for its users. So you want to check that out. Then you have content strategies here, Ton Foundation. So Ton Foundation is currently looking for content strategists. Next on the list, you have social media jobs and more. Backend full stack developer, QA, marketing and more. Senior editorial lead. You want to check out this on that radar. Commercial content editor. So you're also looking for an editor. We have full stacks engineer. And what again? We have okay, so guys, that's basically all on these news updates. So feel free to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's your Akahilz. Stay tuned for more. Peace out and see you in our future uploads, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah.